Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the correction of the speed test of last Friday. The puzzle of 8473. I need to make a correction because someone has left a comment, and this one I have double checked, but still there's an error. This will be number 8496. Alright, 8496. I've made a double check. How did I make a double check? I've checked this row. I've checked this row column. I've checked the last row and the first column. Yeah. Okay. Then I've checked the middle column, and then I've checked the middle row. Well, those numbers are correct, but still there's an error. I need to have a method. If you have a good method to do a double check, please leave it in a comment, because I thought this was a good method to check, to have a double check, but still there's an error here, because look, we have a double 7 here, and we have a double 4 here, so it's not correct. Alright, so I need to correct this, and we have 4 4. That means we need a 4 here or there. I know the 4 in this row, the 4 in the 4 here is correct here. So this is correct. But this 4 is incorrect. So I need to change this one. I need to move up the 4. Okay, this 4 is incorrect. And we have the 4 here. So I need to switch those numbers. And how about the 7? Well, this 7 is not correct, because this 7 is already given, so this is not correct. Okay, let me move this up. So this 4, and can I move the 2 here? We have a 2 here. Is this 2 correct? Well, if we move the 2 there, then this should be incorrect. So the 2 should be there then. So maybe need to change there then. Yeah. How about the 7? Is the 7, 7, 7? 7 could be here also, but I need to change the 7 here. Yeah. So maybe I switch those numbers. Okay. So I need to switch those numbers, otherwise it will be incorrect. And maybe the 5 also here. Yeah. So I think we need to move those numbers. Yeah. So the 2. Yeah. Let me try this. This should be the 7 then. This should be the 5. 7, 7. So need a 7 there. So need to switch. Need a 2 there. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. And the final number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Small error, but yeah. This is the solution. Yeah, this is the solution. So although I have made a double check with those rows and columns, still having troubles if you switch those numbers. I need a method to have a good double check. If you have one, yeah, of course, I can check here again and here again and here again and here again. Yeah, maybe I do more rows and more columns. Let me do yeah, double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, okay, this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct, okay. And another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, here 9. Wow. This is surprising, this one. So I've made here also a mistake. Wow, 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 wow. 9 here. One of these is incorrect. 9, 9. I think this... I need to place the 9 there. Otherwise, this 9 is not correct. Should switch those numbers. This one is not correct. Ay, 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 ay. So, question is this 9 correct or this 9 incorrect? 9, 9. Double 8 here. Well, I think these two should be switched. And these two should be switched. Wow, 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 wow. An error, an error. Okay. So, this 9 should be correct. Okay. Okay. But I've switched those. This should be an 8. This should be the 9 then. 9. Should be an 8. And this should be the 8. This should be the 9. Okay, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. So double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here, 1. Then this 8 is not correct. We have a double 8 here. This should be the 9. And this should be an 8 then. Oh, well, 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 well. Okay. And I want to, this should be the 9. Oh, this should be the 8. No, this should be the 8 then. Well, then this box is not correct. If this is the 8, this should be the 9. 9. Well, it's a mess. Well, 12 minutes already passed. So we have an error here and an error there. And here I have a double 9 here. So I think this 9 should be elsewhere. Or here. I need to think. Or one of these 9s should be switched here. I can switch here 7 and 9. So we have a 7 here. So this 7 should be also switched 7 and a 9. So we have a 9 here, 7 here, 9 here. Here also a 9. So this 9 should be correct. And then this 7. Yeah. Well. Let me switch those numbers here. This one is also incorrect. I switch those numbers. Then I need to switch those numbers. Okay. So this should be a 7 then. 7. This should be a 9. Well, there's a lot of errors here. 7. This should be a 9 then. This should be a 7. Then I have a 7 here. So I need to switch with this row. The 7. Yeah. And with 8. Then it's correct. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So we have a 9 here, 7 here, 7, 9, 4, 5, 2, 7, 2, 5. So this should be an 8, 8, 8, 8. And this should be a 7 then. 7, 7, 7, yeah. Well, so the double check doesn't work. Let me do a double check here, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Double check. Interesting. Made 2 errors here and there. And if you have a good double check for me, please leave a comment. Yeah. Yeah. This one is a disaster. Speed test. Thank for the one who has placed the error below, yeah, in the comments. Anyway, it's over again. But speed test, you need to double check. And yeah, usually I check the middle row, the middle column, and the outside rows and the columns. But you need to check more, otherwise yeah, there's a slice error, and then the puzzle is a disaster. Here we have a double 9 here, I believe. And here also double 7 and double 4. Well, it's a rare situation, rare error, but we solve it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, tomorrow new puzzles, new day, new newspaper. I hope the war will be end in Israel, because I don't think it. I'm negative. I'm not positive. Yeah, the president of Israel, his plans. Yeah, he want to destroy Palestine. So that's the conclusion. Although there are a lot of people, 1.4 million people, and if I look to Gaza, all well, not all, but a lot of buildings are destroyed. So the people are suffering there. Yeah, my heart goes to the Palestinians. Yeah. The hate, the retaliation, are so deep in those two people, yeah, in those in that country. So anyway, enough, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.